Well, this is what this thing was born for. Rain, thunder, being outdoors, and staying dry. Trying to go up the road here a bit and just check. There's kind of a little pond up in here. I wanted to see how full it is. Yeah, she's pretty full. Pretty full this time of year. And it's snow melt. It's been raining like the last 10 days or so, pretty regular. So, all in all, I'm kind of surprised it isn't running over the road right here. Some more. The old water wagon is rolling here. Oh, it's nice up here. It's beautiful. Well, with the sun a little bit obscured by the clouds, makes it for a nice, beautiful view across the pond. It's not a bad sized little thing, but in the fall of the year, it can be about empty. I'm not sure, but I think this pond is called Hamburger Pond, Hamburger Lake. I think it's Hamburger something. Not sure. Points out one of the reasons why a poncho like ours at Wilderness Innovation, our ponchos, why it's actually a good idea to carry one. You know, you get out somewhere in the mountains like up here, almost 8,000 feet elevation. Well, you get up here and you get a rain that's 15, 20 minutes, a half hour or something. Say it comes pouring down or whatever. And then after that it clears off, nice clear skies. Well, if you got a poncho like this, throw the poncho on during the rain, walk around, explore, hike, do whatever. When the rain ends, you take it off, hang it up as a hammock, and go to sleep in it. I mean, that's really what I envisioned when we started this, was situations like that, where you can wind up using your poncho for a couple of different things, maybe 3 different things on a camping trip. Man, isn't that beautiful over there? It's not a bad sized little pond up here. I think it's called Hamburger something. I'll snap a picture with my topo map and we'll... Seems like it's Hamburger something though. Anyway, it's beautiful. I love being up here. I think I might just go show you taking this thing off and stringing it up in some trees for a hammock. Why not? And this fabric right here, it's 2.2 ounce Honeycomb Ripstop. So it's really strong while still being, you know, not heavy. In fact, this one right here fits me. I'm 5'10". This is a PSS LE size. And this one is equipped with the Quick Connect option. So even with the Quick Connect in it, my size PSS LE in the bag, everything ready to go with Quick Connect, still 1 pound 6 ounces. And this is also an X wide. This one right here is going to be available on the webpage as they're ready to ship while stock lasts. Here's the X wide. Now we'll also offer this in a regular width if you don't want X wide. Right, so this deal right here, it has Quick Connect cords. So there we are right there. I did these up in blue. We got a bunch of blue in. The option in there with the quick connect cords. So that means the poncho itself is ready to connect to whatever kind of suspension that you might have for hanging a hammock to a tree. Okay, so I'm going to use a shuttle sling here. It's got a dynamo cord with an eye on one end and a shuttle on the other. Well, the shuttle actually runs the whole. The shuttle can run from one end to the other. That's why it's called a shuttle. Okay, that's all there is to that. It's hung up, ready to go. Grab the other one. So this cord you can remove it. You can remove it clear out of here if you want, but the cord normally just stays inside of there all the time. And when I'm done, I just retract it into there. So it's kind of like a retractable, extendable hammock cord. Right now, I just grab the other end of this shuttle sling right here. And man, this is just so darn simple. It's crazy. I'm going to be showing it a lot so everybody gets a chance to see it, because, you know, different people watch videos at different times and everything, so I want to make sure everybody gets a chance to see what we got going on here. It's hung up. I could get in it right now. You don't have to get the quick connect. That's an option. We wanted to leave that as an option, but I recommend it if you plan on using this much as a hammock, because it is so very simple. Your child could put this up. So no problem at all. Alright, so to take it down, just pull out my toggle. And I can use any kind of metal toggle. This is an aluminum toggle, but I could use a stick on the ground. Well, I'd rather get one out of the tree that's more solid. But now let me just show you how you put this away. So I just reach up here where the tail is. Alright, I dropped it almost to the ground. Now if I want to raise it up a little, I just put it wherever I want it. And I can get up there where I got to climb in it if I want to. But I typically like it about chair height, which I think we're a little low right now. Yeah, we are. So, I'm a little low, so let's raise it up just a little bit here. Okay, there we go. Now I'm perfect. That means you've always got a nice place to sleep when you got one of these. Try to get in here before the sun comes out again. So now you see this is an X wide. So look how much space you got in here. It's one thing I like about the X wide. So I can lay in here like this. You know, I could almost wrap totally up in it. What I want to do is just put the eye over a snap it down, and now when I just put it in my arms like that, stretch it out, it's all sucked up inside of there. Now it's ready to be a poncho again. It's like we got some elk tracks here. Coming down to get a drink. Of course, I gotta walk through the water.